Limited was established in 2000 and has more than 20 years comprehensive business experience, primarily with focus on the North American and European portable lighting market. AEC is one of China's professional intelligent lighting solutions provider. AEC Talent Designs have received Red Dot, IF, and Red Star awards for their combination of quality, performance, and style. The ALS range is new, but it's built on extensive experience and an unwavering dedication. Created by AEC in close collaboration with international partner, the ALS range combines the excellence of two worlds: cutting-edge Chinese production know-how and North American and European business insight. ALS is set to make a real impact on the world of work lights. In 2020, AEC launched a new series, UV Series. UV Series combined strong research and development capacity and advanced technologies such as UVC and ozone, based on the concept of massive health in public places, and tested by SGS, aiming at consumers from different dimensions of sterilization to bring safe, efficient, and professional sterilization solutions and services to the world. AEC keep a close eye on new developments. When opportunities arise, we act fast, creating new products to ensure that you always get the best the market can offer.